Stevia comes from the green leaves of the plant Stevia rhododendrona. Stevia extracts have a very sweet taste, but are sugar-free. Claims are often, technically speaking, somewhat exaggerated, stating they can be 200 to 300 times sweeter than sugar. The point is, though, that stevia is very sweet. That's why it only takes a few drops or a pinch per serving. The magic of stevia leaves is in its compounds called steviol glycosides, which offer sweetness but aren't metabolized by the body like sugar or glucose. The non-sugary sweet components make extracts a valuable alternative for those with diabetes, obesity, and health issues like candida overgrowth. While you can use the straight dried leaves or green leaf powder, many find it has a strong aftertaste, so most stevia products available are refined versions. Stevia extracts concentrate the more palatable and less bitter-tasting steviol glycosides, primarily rhododendron A or Reb A, which usually makes up about 95% of all high-purity products. These come in two forms, as a liquid and as a white powder. Conversion involved from stevia leaf to stevia sweetener can take a few different processing routes, however. Stevia extracts, such as white powders or liquid forms, for the most part, won't affect blood sugar levels too much in either direction. It is important to make sure, however, that your stevia product doesn't contain to use stevia. Again, stevia products are used in smaller amounts because of their intensely sweet taste. So typically, they're taken by drops, not by the dropper full. It's important also to measure out powders, as you can easily use too much in beverages or recipes.